Hi guys, let's see how to set your Google Sheets in such a way that whatever you type anywhere in Google Sheet, it automatically gets converted to uppercase. Okay, so whenever you type anything in Google Sheet, and after a few seconds it automatically get converted to uppercase. How to do this? So I have pasted this link in the description of this video. There you can find the script. Copy this. Now click on extensions and click on app script, and now copy and paste the script here. Okay, it's already pasted here, and click on save. Okay, if there is already a script running, you can click on this and add the script with some name.js. Okay, now once you have done that, now whenever you will type something, and after a few seconds it automatically gets converted to uppercase. Thanks for watching. Please do like.